lap, followed by Mark in 6th place.
Watch the straight!
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road Racing, mid-February 2024. We're going to go out for the stock sedan AMAIN. I've got the Mugen MTC2R. Had a bit of a struggle today with qualifying, but ended up putting in a good run and 4th overall currently. So I get to start in the AMAIN from P4. I did have a breakage in Q3 and ended up just being the grub screw which goes through the bottom pivot ended up pulling out. So I just had to put it back together, but the threads are kind of messed up on it, so it may or may not hold, but I did make it through the last qual after a repair. I've also added weight, so I've added a 20-gram battery weight, so those are brass battery weights on the bottom. This part here now has been changed to brass, and I added a 10-gram weight under the receiver, and that pretty much gets me very close to being on battery, on weight spec. Also, I had to run the full fat, full height battery, the 6000 stock. The 5800 low center gravity is just too light, so minimum weight on a sedan is 1320 grams, and we're pretty much right there. After I put my transponder in, we're pretty darn close. So we're gonna go out in AMAIN. Also, tires, massive difference on my tires. That's how I've been getting into the A now, is by having a Hootie 28 tire. It's a softer compound because for here we run a gray carpet. It has a little bit less grip than the CRC black. So here running a 28 tire is a big difference. Or a 28R, I guess. 28 rubber compounds helps a lot. We're gonna go out and see how we do in this sedan main. All right, here we go. Stock sedan AMAIN. Stock sedan AMAIN, starting in P4.
All right, Johnson on his way up. Hey Ben, are you gonna miss this one? No. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Where am I? Hold on.
Oh, I don't know if I can. Okay, we're running it. All right, it's gonna be. We need John to check it.
Oh, really?
Alright, so it's going to be Jake, Eddie, Mark, John, Colton, and Maxim. Everybody on the tone, less than 5.
Stock sedan A. Whoa. Whoa, nice move.
Hey guys, I've seen some pretty gnarly runs on carpet. Somebody's running super low and is damaging the carpet. Everybody's going to need to start checking their bodies and their screws because this carpet is really expensive. Oh. Eddie, Mark, Colton, John, Maxim, and Ben. Fast lap group right now is Mark, your third place tire with 8027, but he's not the only one in the 8 flats. We have Eddie in the 8 flats with an 8061. Jacob even crashed out with 7974. First guy in the 7s.
That's okay, go, 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 go.
Ooh, watch the infield.
After 1 minute 5 seconds.
Alright.
First place with 32nd lap 505.6 pace. Followed by Eddie in 2nd place with a 36 lap 502.4 pace. Followed by Mark in 3rd place with a 36 lap 504.9 pace. Followed by Colton in 4th place with a 35 lap 502.
No, you can't be a lap up on me. No.
Followed by John K in 5th place with a 33 lap 502 flat pace. Followed by Maxime in 6th place with a 33 lap 503.9 pace. Followed by Ben in 7th place with a 0 lap flat pace.
Alright, we have Jacob with 7-9 fastest lap. Eddie with also in the 7-9 fastest lap. That's your 7th place car. We have Mark with the 8-5.
Whoa!
John with a 8-2 and Maxim with an 8-5. That would be Jake with an 8-2 lap average. Eddie followed with behind Joe, which is second behind with an 8-2 lap average. Colton with an 8-3. Mark third with an 8-2. John with a 9
After 2 minutes 10 seconds,
Max
the top drivers are Jake in first place with a 36 lap 5.0.3 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 36 lap 5.0.8 pace, followed by Colton in third place with a 36 lap 5.06.9 pace, followed by Mark in fourth place with a 13 lap 149.5 pace, followed by John K in fifth place with a 32 lap 507.6 pace, followed by Maxime in sixth place with a 29 lap 5.5
Yep, that's okay.
followed
We're
by
on the
Chris
same,
in
we're very close to the same
seventh
pace
place,
on laps.
Alright, current battle on track right now is Jake and Eddie. That's going to be the orange car.
Oh, sorry, Colton.
Look, Jason very close. Oh, watch the straight. Inside of the straight. Crap.
2 minutes left.
Well,
After 3 minutes 15 seconds,
that's fine.
the top drivers are Jake in first place with a 37 lap 505.7 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 37 lap 507 flat pace, followed by Colton in third place with a 35 lap 505.9 pace, followed by John K in fourth place with a 32 lap 508.4 pace,
Oh, I'm back in
followed by
fourth.
Maxime in fifth place with
Okay.
a 30 lap
Still 2 laps up on me.
502.4 pace, followed by Mark in sixth place with a 13 lap 149.5 pace, followed by Ben in 7th place with a 0 lap flat pace. One minute left.
Alright, with a minute remaining, we still have Jacob Frankel, but Eddie, Colton, John, Maxim, and Ben. Sorry, Mark and Ben. Current gap between your first and second place car, Jake and Eddie, is about 1.7 seconds now. Jake's starting to pull away a little.
45 seconds left.
Eddie's still with the fastest lap of the group, though, with a 7
After 4 minutes 20 seconds,
with the
the
7 8
top
right now.
drivers are Jake in first place with a 37 lap 503.8 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 37 lap 505.5 pace, followed by Colton in third place with a 35 lap 504 flat pace, followed by John K in fourth place with a 32 lap 502.6 pace, followed by Maxime in fifth place with a 29 lap 505.14 seconds left, followed by Mark in sixth place
Ooh,
with
watch
a
the straightaway
Watch the
inside.
straight.
5 pace, followed by Ben in seventh place with a 0 lap
That
flat
was
pace.
blue. Nice to show
Colton
you, this is
done.
the line.
Maxime done. Jake done. John K done. Eddie done. All drivers are finished. The race is
Yikes.
completed.
Alright, Jake took that over Eddie, Colton, John, Maxim, and Mark. Fastest lap of the group, win by
Eddie, Colton, John. Yeah, so I ended up finishing. All right, I believe I got fourth in that. That was a stock sedan AMAIN. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new and subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah, buddy. I'll upload it. Okay, you're gonna upload it? Yeah, I'm gonna upload it.
Mugen held through another race day. Nice, nice, nice.